Hello everyone, this video has been brought to you by Unacademy. My name is Mohit Gupta and in this video I will be talking about the classification type problems that fall under the category of non-verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning is an integral part of the aptitude examinations and this video will help you maximize your scores. So let us begin. The classification type problems are of this type. There are some figures given and you have to find a figure that is different from the others in some way or some rule. You have to find out the pattern or rule that differentiates one figure from the rest. So that is the only rule to solve the classification type problems. So let us begin with this very easy example. Okay, so we are given 5 problem figures and we have to find out one that is different from the others. So we see that all of these 1, 2, 4 and 5 all have parallel lines, but 3 does not have parallel lines, so 3 is different from them and that is the correct answer. It is that simple. Let us see more complex examples. Here we have a tumbler like shape, something like this. This area is shaded and we have a dot here and a plus sign and arrow. Okay, so we have some shape like this and it is rotating in some way. Let us try to find out relation and differences between them. This figure is rotated by 45 degrees to obtain this figure, and in this figure the position of dot has changed, so there is one difference. This figure and this figure have position of dot in the bigger portion of this figure, like in this portion, and this figure is the same as this, but the position of arrow and plus sign is different, so this might be a possible answer. This is the same as this figure getting rotated and the position of arrow and plus sign is different. So that does not give us one distinct figure from them, but many of them are different. So let us try to look for something else now. We try to look for the position of dot and this shaded region. These are in two different parts of the figure, different parts, the same part, like the dot and the shaded region are in the same part in this figure, and in this figure they are in the different part. So that makes option 4 the correct answer. Dot and shaded region. That was the key point of this problem. Now let us see one more. Okay, so now we are given this 3 lines having a dot in between, arrow, dot and a cross. So we observe the pattern. The dot is in between the arrow and another dot. In this figure is following this rule. This figure is following this rule. This is not following. This is following and this is following. So simply we get the answer very quickly. That is the figure that is not following because it has the dot between arrow and X. So the correct answer is option C. Let us see one more example. Okay, so we have some figures here. These figures are The first one is a pentagon having a hexagon inside it. Second one is a rhombus having a triangle inside it. So this has 5 sides, this has 6 sides, this has 4, this has 3. Next is a triangle having a square, that is 3 and 4. Next is a square having a pentagon inside it, so that is 4 and 5. Last one is a pentagon having a hexagon inside, so that is 5 and 6. So we see that the inside figure has one more side than the outside figure in all of these except for option 3. So that is the different one, and that is how we spot it. So this video will give you a head start on how to approach these type of problems, the classification type in which you have to find the rules that make some figure different from the rest. So that's all for this video. You can subscribe to the channel youtube.com/unacademy for more videos on this series, that are how to solve the picture sequencing problems and how to solve the coding decoding problems. You should check out the non-verbal reasoning playlist on our channel to maximize your scores at aptitude examination. If you have any doubts or queries, you can ask me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @hi_Mohit Gupta, or you can tweet to @theunacademy also, or you can simply leave a comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.